If you have an area right here and an area next to it, and you as a contractor, let's say you're contractor A, you're coming through this and you're going to head in this direction. Usually the schedules are created based on customer demand, and that's called pull. So when you hear the concept of pull in construction, it's not just from area to area or activity to activity. It's when did the customer need this project done? Assuming that you have that and you have the overall project built, pull for us really means that we work in what's called one process flow. And that doesn't mean that this area, let's say that it has 10 rooms, that doesn't mean that we finish all of those rooms from start to finish all at once. That's actually called batching. It means that whatever process that we're supposed to complete in this area, we need to complete 100% while we're there. So if we're doing overhead fire sprinkler, instead of going through here and saying, all right, I'm just going to come through and install all the mains all the way across the floors, instead of doing that and batching things, let's not do that. And let's actually say we're going to work area by area according to the takt time. And let's go ahead and install our fire sprinkler and our mains and whatever is part of that process for that phase and not more, right? But let's go ahead and do our branch lines out. We need to have those before we have actually any other trades coming in that area. And let's make sure that we finish this work before we move on. So finishing would mean that we install the work, that it's complete, right? That we actually inspect and we make sure that we do our quality inspections through there. We make sure that we're finished, right? That we demobilize this area. We move our gang boxes and other things forward, right? And that we clean the area and we basically create a vacuum, meaning like this area is empty. So now we as contractor A, we are firmly in this area and our gang boxes are over here. Maybe our stage materials over here. Our workers are over here. Everything is over here and this area is 100% finished. Why did I show this to you? The reason I showed this to you is because breaking up the project into areas like this on a rhythm allows people to know when they have to pull people from one area to another, and they know what size areas they have to do that with. So when you do this and when you focus and when you finish as you go, that is called one process flow, sometimes called one piece flow, but I'll call it one process flow. Okay. One process flow. And that actually allows you to limit work in process, meaning we're not saying, oh, go everywhere on the project, go to all floors on the project. No, finish your areas in a rhythm as you go. And that's very important to takt planning and to construction projects, because if you don't do that, you can overburden the team and you can get unhealthy or irregular or excess manpower and material inventory or counts on your project, which cost us money because we're using them before they're actually needed.